Toy Story 5, Bonnie's New Toy. 5-year-old Bonnie loved playing with Woody, Jessie, and all her toys. Now, Bonnie's 8. She still loves to play, but she wants her friends to play with. Once, Woody was a sheriff of Bonnie's room. He loved his girl. Now, Jessie is the sheriff. Jessie loves Bonnie too. She will do anything to help her. Once Bonnie made a toy to play with. His name was Forky. Can you see Forky? That's him right there. Now, Bonnie plays with a tablet named Lilypad. Lilypad is nothing like the other toys. That's Lilypad right there. Once Woody asked Forky to help Bonnie on her first day of school. With Forky, Bonnie would not have to go to school alone. Now, Jessie wants to help Bonnie make a new friend. Lilypad has a different idea to help Bonnie. Lilypad and Jessie did not get along. Can you tell? Look, Jessie is not very happy at Lilypad. Once Bonnie lost Forky during a road trip. He jumped out of an RV. Oh no! Forky did not know much about being a toy. Now Bonnie has lost Jessie and Bullseye. A girl named Blaze finds them. Can you find them? Do you see where Blaze is? Right there. And that's Jessie. Blaze loves Bullseye. Jessie thinks Bonnie and Blaze could be best of friends. Once, Woody had to find Forky and bring him back to Bonnie. Now Jessie must find a way to bring Bonnie and Blaze back together. It looks like she does like those two toys, huh? Once, Woody walked together with the new friends. He even rode on a cat to get back to Bonnie. Look at them go! They're all attached to the sticky hand. And that's Duke Gaboom right there. Now Jessie and her new friends work together to help Bonnie. They all ride on toy horses. Yee-haw! Look at all those toys. Look at all those Buzz Lightyears. They all need to help. But times have changed. But both Bonnie and the old toys and the new toys love her. And now she has a new friend. Right there. And they get to play toys together. Do you ever make new friends? What kind of games do you play? It is so much fun when you get new friends and they can share your toys with them and they can share their toys with you too. And you can come up with all kind of fun games to play. All right. Bye.